Greeting potential employer, my name is Brandon Yong. I was born and raised in Cebu, Sarawak. I am undergraduate chemical process engineer student from NJIIT Universiti Teknologi Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. This is my video CV. By the end of this video, I hope that you can clear that what value I could add to your company. During my university life, I have the opportunity to involve in a number of academic activities at uni level, locally and internationally. I like to participate in different programs and I don't really like to limit myself to only in my own field. I participate in organizing different kinds of social events and projects which help me get in contact with students from other universities and deal with other executives, and this consequently enhance my communication skill. I was a vice president of a charity event which involved thousands of students and public from other states of Malaysia, and this has improved my leadership skill. I have excellent presentation skill and also a good team player. I am a well-organized and detail-oriented person. I consider myself as reliable, ambitious, committed, and highly dedicated person. I always do my best in learn new things so that I could be global competitive. I am proficient in using Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Excel. I also have some basic in using Polymath, MATLAB, AutoCAD, and programming C++. I am multilingual and speak well in Bahasa Malaysia, English, and Mandarin. I also have some basic in Japanese language with M4 level for the Japanese language proficiency test. With all my skill, knowledge, and experience, I believe that I could add value to your company because I have knowledge in thermodynamics, separation process, fluid mechanics, mass energy balance, and other more. Here you can see a link to my LinkedIn profile to get to know me better professionally. If you want to contact me, this is my email address and phone number. Thank you for your time to watch my video resume.